Good morning, people. This is Sam, South Carolina Happy Bees, and we're at Magnolia Tree number 222. It's a double deep nuke, and they were getting robbed out, but I think I pretty much took care of that. Let's go see what you're up to, what you're doing, what you need. And that video I was making yesterday out at the farm, number 3. Y'all could have waited. The whole thing was probably taking half hour, or not a half hour. First part took a half hour. 25 minutes or so. But I went to take a little break at that point, and I took the camera off. Back, put it back on, started, but it didn't work for some reason. Don't know why. This number 222, last time in it was the 24th of last month. Had a yellow queen, eggs brood, moved the top box, has stores in the bottom. Okay. They have no food. I didn't give them dry sugar the last time. I just gave them some syrup. Beetle on that. Looks okay. Sure y'all can see. That works for. There we go. I got it. And that says it's level. So we're going to go in here and look at this one. See what it is. We're going to try to get you a little bit closer here though. Okay. It's got some pollen. Got the bees on the pollen. No bugs. This one here has bees on the pollen. No bugs. Okay. Take this one out first. This one has some honey. It has some little bit of nectar. No pollen. Dry throat. Looking good. Both sides. This one here has some honey, some nectar. Let's see what we got in the middle. We have a little brood, but I don't see anything else. Over here, there's a little brood. Not much of anything else. Same thing both sides. Maybe the queen went back to the bottom. Here's a new frame. It was put in on, looks like 9/11. It has brood, it has honey, it has nectar. It has a yellow queen. Right there. So, don't know what we do with her. Took her right back in the house. Come on, go. This one here has what's the button on it? Okay, but the queen can't come lay in it. She can lay some in this one. Good frame. This one here has nectar and honey. There. Slide this one over. This one had a queen on it. Put her back in the middle. This one here. See honey in open space. This one here has honey in open space, and I'm going to set it right here. Queen can lay in it. It has more room. It's a newer frame, newer foundation. It's about the same age as the one she's got over here that she's laying in. So we're going to stay right there. And I'm going to go get something to drink. Okay, this box, there we go. This box is the top, with the top box. And this box here is the box that's going in now from the bottom. This time of the year, I like for the queen and the eggs to be in the top so they can stay warmer and they don't freeze out. If you've got a bunch of fruit, usually with me, I'll tell you, in November, used to be I'd make splits. No bugs. I would make splits in November because the weather was better. That's been maybe 4 years, 5 years ago. We've been having bad weather since, or unpredictable weather. here has a little honey on it. It's mostly drone brood, but they're going to be putting some honey and stuff in it. This one here has honey. It has some bees that died during that last cold spell we had a few weeks back. I mean, we had frost for three nights in a row, and that wasn't good. Okay, there's just honey and a little bit of next on that. This side over here has dead brood too. See, it was in the bottom, and we had all that cold weather, and the bees goes up where, that's why the queen's in the top now. The bees go up to stay warm, and they leave the brood that's in the bottom. That's why I put my brood in the bottom. See, all this brood right here, all this is dead. Some of them was trying to hatch out. Same thing here. Did I tell y'all my bees are friendly? Did? Okay. Okay, see, all this is dead brood here. 5 of them right there trying to come out, and they just didn't make it because the bees were up at the top. So, you know that when the bees are in the top and it's cold, they make a cluster, but the cluster don't go all the way down to the bottom. And that's why y'all see me moving frames around from the top to the bottom and from the bottom to the top. Now this one here, they have a little honey. Bottom clean, bottom clean. That back there. They need some food. When I get my food back today, be after lunch, I'll could be before lunch, I don't know. I will give these bees some food. Give these bees some food. She was trying to sting me with my blue jeans. I'll give them some food and they'll fill all this up, I hope. But I'll have to give them a lot of food. Because we want our bees to be fat when we go in the winter. Because fat bees can deal with the cold. Kind of like a fat person. Shouldn't say fat. With an overweight person, they can use it to stay warmer. This one here has a little pile in them. That's that. Bottom still looks good. But anyway, they've got more fat. They've got more. Why a bear feeds up before she goes and hibernates. Before she goes and hibernates, man, she'll eat anything and anybody. I think we have black bears around here, used to. I haven't seen a black bear around here in a long time. Put that back on there. We're going to put some pollen down here. Make sure there's no bugs on it. That's all good. So now we're going to take this box and stick it up here. feeder off. We're gonna be. They'll have 2 feeders when I go back in to feed them. All these will have big feeders and 2 feeders. And they'll be getting straight stuff. What do you mean straight stuff, then? They'll be getting the food that hasn't been diluted with water. And it's about a 3 to 1, 3.5 to 1. So they can get healthy quicker. And I'm gonna get some other stuff from Bob. Y'all check Bob Walker out. And he calls it, what did he call it? I don't remember what it was. Get old people, your memory don't work exactly the way it used to when you were 25. I don't know. But anyway, he has this stuff you mix with the feed stuff that he's bringing me. And the sugar water stuff. And it's supposed to boost everything up. I haven't made any brood builder in a long time. And I'll tell y'all a little bit more about that stuff once I get it from Bob. But y'all enjoy yourself. Have a great day, great weekend. Be careful, be safe. And thank y'all for watching and the comments. And thank you again, Charlie. If you got any comments or want to know anything, just leave me a comment and we'll get back with you. Y'all have a great one.